There's no doubt about it, weight loss can be difficult. Using protein powder could potentially make it easier. Below are 3 steps to help you when it comes to using protein powder to keep your weight under control. 1. Use protein powder for breakfast. There are plenty of people who use protein powder first thing in the morning as part of their breakfast. In fact, this makes breakfast quick and easy, so it's a good option for individuals who are busy and have very little time early in the morning. Even if you're not going to the gym first thing, there's nothing wrong with making a shake from protein powder and letting that be your kickstart for the day. 2. Fuel up after a workout. One of the most important things you can do to lose weight is replace fat with muscle, and the easiest way to do that is to get enough protein in your body after an intense workout. There's a limited time frame that you have available to accomplish this, so the faster you can accomplish it, the better. One of the easiest ways to do this is to make a shake using protein powder and take it to the gym with you. Before you know it, you'll be using that mixture to refuel after your workout, making it easier to build muscle and lose fat. 3. Keep track of your calorie intake. Clearly, you want to keep track of your calorie intake if you're trying to lose weight. It's actually easier to accomplish that goal when you're drinking protein powder shakes, because you know exactly how many calories are involved, as opposed to taking your best guess and hoping that you're not too far off the mark. This can give you a much better idea of what you should be eating throughout the day in conjunction with the protein powder shakes. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, healthfitnessplanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.